we are introducing a new product in our Farm Rx collection, our Farm Rx Bakuchiol Cream. Of course, Farm Rx was our collection that was introduced about a year ago, and it is our clean beauty vegan skincare collection. It's all naturally derived ingredients, so it can soothe irritated skin. It's got all the nourishing ingredients you want without any of the unsafe ingredients that you don't. It's, very, very high in natural ingredients. There are a few safe synthetic ingredients that are included in order to make the products shelf stable, but they're very natural ingredients in all of these. So the Bakuchiol Cream is our third component in our Bakuchiol regimen, Bakuchiol line, and Bakuchiol is a plant-based alternative to retinol. So it's great for anyone who can't use retinol because of sensitivity to retinol. Like if you have sensitive skin, I'm one of those. It makes my skin very red and irritated. And so I'm not able to use that. And others don't like to use retinol because of the photosensitivity that it creates. When you use retinol, you do need to be more careful about ensuring that you're using plenty of SPF and that you're limiting your sun exposure because it can make your skin more susceptible to damage from sun exposure. So the Bakuchiol Cream has that plant-based alternative to retinol and botanical extracts. So it's been clinically tested to reduce the look of wrinkles, visibly improve firmness and elasticity. So it's vegan, hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, suitable for sensitive skin. And it also has, the Farm Rx collection all has very sustainable and environmentally friendly packaging as well. So they're glass jars that can be recycled. They're also larger than your typical jar of face cream so that you're not having to buy a new jar. You're getting more product in each jar, so you're not having to throw those away more often. So that's a little more eco-friendly, a little less trash created. Let's get a little bit more than that. So it is a nice lightweight cream. It's not heavy at all, and it does absorb very, very quickly and nicely, which, we're all in a hurry. We don't have a ton of time for our skincare. So things that absorb quickly are very, very nice. And I've been using the other two products in the Bakuchiol collection, and like I said, because I can't use retinol myself, and have really enjoyed the results from those. So we have the Bakuchiol Serum, which is a lightweight, kind of an oil texture. And so because it's a lightweight oil texture serum, it's going to penetrate the skin a little bit more than just the cream by itself would. And it's going to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness, again, without any irritation. So I will, there's that. And then they also have in the Bakuchiol the eye cream, which I've also been using. I use both of these products as part of my nighttime routine because I wouldn't recommend using this under makeup because it does, it doesn't absorb as much as like my daytime moisturizer do, but at night I don't care if I'm shiny looking, and so I go for all of the heavier products at night. Even though that's lightweight, it still leaves me a little bit shiny. So it is the Bakuchiol eye cream, which reduces the look of dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles, all of which I have around my eyes, so absolutely love this. And again, great alternative if you can't or don't want to use retinol.